let's see if the fireworks go off. It is 10 o'clock. There's the fountain. Fireworks should start all the way over there. Hey, look, right on time. Fireworks are going off. And the fountain's gonna go off right now. Here, let's check this out real quick. I'll go back to the fireworks in just a few minutes. Here, let's check out this water jet. But yeah, guys, we're here at Grand Park, Buckingham Fountain in Chicago, 10:03 in the PM. Right now the water jet, no, not the water jet, the fountain is going off also. So here, let's go back to it, guys. There's the fountain over there, Buckingham Fountain here in Chicago. But please, guys, follow me on YouTube at Chicago Nuggies. I'll be on YouTube also. Please follow me there. We are just 8 subscribers away from being 50, and that's when I need to live stream. Please follow me on YouTube, guys. Hey Darren, how's it going? Thanks, Juana. and the fountain. And this is all gonna be on YouTube, so please follow me on YouTube, guys. Wow, look at that one. Look at that. Look how beautiful those are. Look at that. But yeah, this is the third show before the last one, which is next Saturday. So we got 2 more shows, Wednesday and then Saturday. Yeah, look at that. Look how beautiful that is. But yeah, guys, please follow me on YouTube, Chicago Nuggies, the same as on TikTok. Follow me on YouTube, Chicago Nuggies. We're not that far from 50 subscribers. That is amazing. Here, let's go back to the fountain real quick. There's Buckingham Fountain right there. Here in Chicago. Yeah, live stream is on YouTube. That's my live streamer's name. Chicago Nuggies, the same as on TikTok. Here, let's go back to the fireworks. Thanks for all those likes. Thanks for all those gifts, everybody. Thank you so much for following me. But please follow me on YouTube also. Follow me. Hey, Darren, thanks for that. 50 taps, thanks. Let's see if we can make it. I appreciate all of you guys. Thank you so much for tapping. So here, let's see these final 2 minutes of fireworks. And surprisingly today, it went on time. It was exactly at 10, so yeah, that's good. Wow, that's a beautiful one right there. Wow. Look at that. So you guys already know what I'm gonna do for the last few minutes of the fireworks. We're gonna go towards the left side of the screen. We'll do that in 10:09 right now, so in 1 minute. We'll do that in 1 minute. Wow, look at that. But yeah, follow me on YouTube, guys. Follow me on YouTube, Chicago Nuggies. Wow. So here it's 10:09. We're gonna switch the camera now. Here we go, and we'll zoom out a bit. Yeah, look at that. Look at those fireworks. So here, let's see these last few fireworks here. Yeah, look at that. Look at those fireworks. So here, let's see these last few fireworks here. And there you have it, the fireworks from Grand Park, Chicago, Buckingham Fountain. There it is. There's the fountain right there, guys. Yeah, there you guys have it. Here, let's go check out this fountain right now. Here, let's check this out. The last 10 minutes of these of the water show, the fountain show here. Let's check this out. Yeah, 2 more days. Yeah, 2 more days. You got that right, Alex. Yeah, this Wednesday and Saturday are the last 2 fireworks remaining here in Chicago for the season till I think it's New Year's Eve. No, yeah, New Year's, and then Valentine's Day. Yeah, I think those are the last 2. Well, no, not the last 2, but those are the other 2 that are gonna happen. But here, let's check out this fountain show.